How y'all doing? Today I'm talking about ebonizing wood. And ebonizing wood is a chemical process where it dyes the wood or stains the wood black. So for instance, a walnut, you could turn it black by using a solution. And the solution is, it's a chemical process and I basically use an SOS pad where I remove all the soap in there and vinegar. And I just put it in a jar and I let it sit there for days, and this is months. I just tested it, so I know it works. But it's a chemical process. It reacts with the tannins of the wood and it dyes it. And you can do this with maple; it'll turn it gray. I've done it with poplar. I haven't really tested it with many other light woods, but I'm sure it will work. I've also tested Wenge of just regular household bleach, and it will leave it like a zebra-like stripe, which is pretty cool because that's normally a really dark black wood. Anyway, what I do is I cut my piece out, and it's almost an instant reaction. So you could just drop the piece in there. I like to let it sit there for about 5 minutes or so, and do it after you shaped it. Otherwise, you're gonna sand off all that ebonizing part of the wood. And I'll let it sit there for 5 minutes. And normally walnuts brown like so. Well, I cut out a CWW and put it in a chemical solution, and you can see that it's black, and it was obviously the brown before. Pretty cool. Mess around with it, give it a try. Who would have thought science and woodworking go together?